If you've been uploading your videos using the YouTube app, then you are doing yourself more harm than good, because there are some settings that are not on the YouTube app. And therefore, when you upload your videos through YouTube app, you will not see those options to turn them on for your videos to go viral, for your videos to do well. The best option for you to use to upload your video is the YouTube Studio app. Hello, you're welcome to Property Guide. Stay with me till the end of this video, as I'm going to guide you on how you can upload your videos the right way for you to have views. Stay with me as I take you through the YouTube dashboard. Okay, this is how you can optimize your video after uploading it on your YouTube channel. Now, if you are using your PC, go to your YouTube channel, click on open your YouTube channel if you are using PC. But if you are using your phone, go to Google and type YouTube dashboard. It will take you to your YouTube channel. Then if you're using your PC, go to YouTube. Then under your profile, click on YouTube Studio. And then you go to your content. In this case, I have already uploaded this video. This is the video that I want to optimize. I'm going to show you how you can optimize your video, starting from the title, the video description, the tags, and even your thumbnail, how you can optimize it using ChatGPT. ChatGPT can help you to optimize your video properly. Now, this is the video I want to optimize. For instance, I didn't really know the title to give to this video, and I just give it best AI tools to use to blow up your channel. That is the file name that I gave to this video. Now I want to optimize this video. Let me copy it, copy the title, take it to your ChatGPT. I have created a prompt, and what I'm going to do, I will just paste this title here, and then I will copy it to ChatGPT. This is the prompt. Give me catchy YouTube video title ideas that will get a high click-through rate and that consider SEO. Give me catchy text options for my thumbnail that will get a high click-through rate and describe how the thumbnail should look. Give me an SEO video description and up to 500 characters of SEO tags or keywords separated with commas for this video title. Give me SEO hashtag. Here is the video idea. Now, this is the video idea, best AI tools to use to blow up your channel, and then you give the command. Now, as you can see, ChatGPT has given me good title ideas that I can use for that video. It said top 7 AI tools every YouTuber needs in 2025. These AI tools will skyrocket your YouTube channel fast. Grow 10 times faster on YouTube using AI in Cento. You can see the topic, the title ideas that is being generated here. The secret AI tools big YouTubers don't want you to know. AI tools that blow up my channel. Use this in 2025. Best AI tools to explode your YouTube growth in 2025. At this point, I'm even confused of the one to use. Okay, let's go with this one. For instance, this is the one I want to pick, and then drop it. And then you scroll down. This is the thumbnail. thumbnail description that you have here. You can use this description to design your thumbnail, or you can equally give it a command to create a thumbnail for you. SEO optimized video description. Now this is the description that I have. Want to grow your YouTube channel faster and smarter in 2025? In this video, I review the best AI tools every YouTuber should use to automate, optimize, and explode their growth. From AI video editors to thumbnail generators, you will learn how top creators are using these tools to go viral. If you are serious about growing your channel, don't miss this. You see, it's very good and perfect for that my video. And then I copy it and take it here. They discover tools that do the hard work for you, perfect YouTube and the rest of it. And then I go back here. You see, this is the tags that I have here. AI YouTube tools for YouTube, AI tools for YouTube, best AI tools, and the rest of it. You can just copy it and then you take it to your task. Okay, let me not go there. Let me take it step by step. After the title, your description, you see the description, and you can also embed some of your the link to your other videos here, other videos, or you can say related videos. Hold on, while it's still loading, we go back there. Okay, this is for thumbnail. Let me even give it a command. While my channel is still loading, I will give it a command. Let's see what it will generate for us as thumbnail. See, use the instruction this instruction. Let me put it this instructions to generate a thumbnail for me, and then you drop the instruction in a quote and then you give it a command. And it was bad. After that, go down to your playlist. Ensure to select your playlist. It's about YouTube growth, so okay, it's about apps. Then cannot be. Let me pick one, and then you scroll down. No. If you use AI to generate your content, you can tick yes. It will not affect your videos or your views in any way. So leave chapters checked, leave feature places checked. I will advise that any of these checkbox that YouTube has already leave it checked, you should not uncheck it. Now go back to ChatGPT. Good morning. Copy the hashtags that you have there. Copy the tags that ChatGPT generated for you. Take it to where you have that and then paste it there. Scroll down and you see language, video language. Select your video language. Another feature that a lot of YouTubers are confusing us, a lot of the big YouTubers are confusing us, is this publish to subscription feed and notify subscribers. If your channel is below 100 subscribers, that is when you will uncheck this box. But if it is above 100 subscribers, please don't uncheck it. I'll leave mine check, leave it there, leave this one there. Then under categories, ensure to pick the right category for your video. Mine is how to and style, because I'm actually guiding people on how to do certain things on YouTube. So I will leave mine on how to and style. But if yours is about entertainment, pick entertainment. If it's about news, pick news. If it's about music, pick music. Whichever of these categories that your video falls under, ensure to pick that category. And after all these settings, you go to your visibility, and then under your visibility you pick one of these options. You can pick private and leave it for 24 to 48 hours before you can now change it to public. Another feature that you must not ignore is the subtitles. This is where you can add your subtitles, but in this case I will not add mine manually. I will add it later after I have published this video. With that, the YouTube algorithm will help me to generate it. Another feature is end screen. Ensure to add your end screen, and this is how you can add your end screen. End screen is the video that pop up at the end of your video. Is like a suggested video, and this one you are the one suggesting it to your viewers. Now this is how you can set your end screen. We have different end screen options. We have import from latest video, one subscriber. I like using this 2 videos, so I will click on it and then add my video. You can choose best for viewers and recent upload, and then you click on the save button. Another feature that you must add to your video is the cards. Click here. You have different cards options. You have video, you have playlist, and you have channel. I like adding all of this. In each of the video you have to add up to 5 cards. So you can choose to add a video, you can choose to add playlist, and you can choose to add your channel link. And first I will add my video, but at first I will have to add it at the beginning here. After 4 minutes of my video, I'll add 1 card. Click on it, add another one. You can choose to add playlist, go back, add playlist, YouTube growth, remove again, and this time I'm going to add my channel link, channel property guide. Click on it. Give a customized message for your channel. You can say subscribe for more. You can say like, comment, and share. You can even add subscribe for cookies like some other YouTubers do. Then you save it. Save it again. And that's all. I believe this video has been helpful. If you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please kindly subscribe, hit on the notification bell, like, comment and share this video to others so that they can also benefit from it. See you in my next video.